Here is Viral Bot app, Create, Play, and Hangout. Is it a new competitor to Roblox? Is it maybe Roblox alternative? I don't know, it's climbing super fast in the top charts, as you can see, like number 13 today. I'm on the top apps on the App Store. So I will just try to show you all the arounds of this app, how to use it, and how it looks like, and all of that. So the idea is kind of similar to Roblox, where you can create your own avatar, you can style it, and then you can build your own worlds. So you can build your own online experiences using props. You can build some small objects, and then you can just hang out with your friends in these experiences and then interact, message each other and chat with each other, make friends with players worldwide, create all these cool experiences. Yeah, so that's basically the whole idea. This app was here in the App Store for a while, but recently it really started to climb in the charts. There are still some bugs and glitches, but yeah, that's what it is. So to create an account, you can just easily do it with Snapchat or like Apple, Facebook, Google, whatever you like. And then basically that's your account. So here is my account. I have my avatar, which I can edit. So I can show my avatar. Just beware two things. Like first, this app is quite large. On your phone, it's like 500 megabytes plus. And then that it can accumulate even more space if you play it frequently. So it can easily be over 1, 2, 3 gigabytes. And then, so anyways, this is your avatar. You can just customize it, change the outfits, all of that. So yeah, something like that. Or you can just change your profile picture, but again, you can just do an avatar. So you created your 3D avatar. Then on the home feed, there is just like an overview of all these spaces, which you can create yourself, or you can just join them. So here is these spaces. Someone created them. You can see the capacity. There can be maximum 10 people here. There is a description. You can see all the likes, you can comment, you can see some replays, and then there are public servers. You can see all the available servers. You can see server codes which you can join. You can see if they're at maximum capacity, you are not able to join anymore. But for example, this one, you can try to join. And this is how it will look like. Oops, sorry for the horizontal view. But basically, yeah, then you're just able to hang out here. Like, you know, and just go in this space, like hang out with people, message someone. You can add friends, you can participate in chat. So something like that. And then there are all these different experiences where you can sit on the desk, like, or, you know, this kind of like a Roblox. Of course, it's not that advanced and it doesn't have all the features as Roblox, but it's like simplified version of Roblox. Then you can just participate in chat. You can see all these settings here. You can change the views, walking mode, all of that. You can just do it. You can take a screenshot. So yeah, and then if you want, you can just leave the server. So that's the whole overview. Basically, and you have like hundreds of these rooms, and you can participate, you can bookmark them, you can report whatever you like, and of course you can create your own room. So here you can just create your own experience. And in experience you can create your, like, there are objects which you can use from other people, so it's not that complicated. Don't worry, you don't need to be like a professional designer to create something like this. There are all these props which are basically small elements, so it can be like a, like some cube, or it can be a tree, flower, or whatever, some furniture from which you construct your own experience. Then there are all this clothing, and then there is your space, which is kind of like my room. So that's what you have here. And then there is like a discovery feed, which is more like social media element, where you can hang out with people, just post some of your screenshots and updates. Then you can see all your activity. Then you can see all the messages here. You can see all the chats. You can create a group chat as well. And then if you want, you can purchase some of the props, but some of them are just free, so you can just get them like this. So yeah, that's the whole idea. This app is adding more and more features. Like one of the major regrets is that it's not available on iPad yet. So it's hard to play on iPad. And the phone, it's kind of nice to play, but some people like more bigger experience, like on iPad or something like that. But there are less and less bugs. And when I tried this app back in winter, there were just like few experiences, and there weren't that many people. I actually tried it. And when the Squid Game show was like really viral, and someone created like the Squid Game experience in the app, and this was one of the first viral experiences here. And then it's actually improved a lot. There are so many new experiences and so many more users, and now this app is really getting popular. So go ahead, try it out, create an account, and have fun.